Hi guys, okay, today I'll be sharing you the RCB products that we have just launched recently. I will tell you what kind of product that we bring in, and if you have any products that you wish to see, you can let us know and then we will try to bring in, okay? Let's start with the first one. For the first one, we have the RCB grid. It comes with 3 colors in stock. It's a gold color, red color, and also black color. It will be $20 each set. It comes with a bar and balancer. It kind of have weight, not like the other balancer that we sell. Actually not, it's not heavy at all. But for this, it's actually there's a bit of weight of it. And then you can see the grips is the anti-slip one. So you will be when raining days, right, you won't really slip off from your hand easily. Okay, for this will be $20 each set. If you wish to know more or see more pictures of the colors, you can DM us and we will send you pictures in after the live. $20 each set. Come with black, red, and gold. Universal fit. So if you are unsure, you can let us know what bike is it. Then we will let you know whether it suits your bike or not. Let's move on. We also have a balancer. So you can buy any other grips and then install this balancer. Let me show you how does it look like. It's made of CNC. Yeah. It also comes with gold, red, and black. Let me just show you one of it. And then there is the RCB logo over here. For this will be $15 each set. Anything, if you wish to know whether this can be fit on your bike, you can straight away DM us now or you can comment on the comment section below. My salesperson will reply you. Yep. Let me put it back first. Let's move on to another item. Next we have is this RCB brake fluid tank. It comes with 2 designs. One will be the a bit rectangular one, and then another one will be the rounded one. It comes with the spare parts over here and also the bracket over here behind. And this same for this one. We cannot see the price. Okay, it's $30 each. Let me take out and show you, have a closer look. How do I take out? For this, it will also come in other color. If you wish to order any other color, you can let us know. We will make a pre-order for you. Same, it will take about 3 to 5 working days. Okay, I'll give you a closer look. Okay, there is also here stated the minimum and max. Try not to go down to the minimum for your brake oil because it's supposed to make your brake more smooth. Okay, I'll pass to my colleague to put it back for me. Yeah. Okay, for the rounded one, also same. There is a bracket at the back and also some spare parts here. Let me take out and show you. For any other color, you can just let us know. We will help you to pre-order. For now, we only have red and black. Yeah. For that one, we have gold and black, right? Let me take it out and show you. Yeah, why is it stuck? No. Okay. For this, it will be the rounded one. Same, there is a max and minimum over here. And then the top will be like this with 2 screws that is sealed. Yeah, then this is the bottom for the other spare part over here. This one will be $30 each for one. Let's move on to the next item. Thank you. Next, we also did bring in our rim sticker. Let me show you just one. It's the reflective rim sticker, $7 each. It's enough for two wheels. It comes with reflective red, reflective white, reflective black, and also reflective blue. Yeah, for this will be $7 for each set. So these are the colors available. If you wish to get any other color, you can just PM us also. Yeah, my shirt. Remember to help me like and share this video, okay? Thank you. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below. My salesperson will help me reply at the back end. Let's move on to the next item. Next, we have this, the brake hose holder. It also comes with red, black, and gold. Yeah. Let me take out and show it and have a closer look. If you wish to have a nicer holder, you can get this, the RCB one. It will look like this, and then the RCB wording, and also come with a screw. Yep. Okay, this one will be $15 each. If you wish to know whether can fit your bike, you can comment down below, or you can PM us directly. We will reply you from there. Yep. Okay, pass it to my colleague. Okay, let's move on. The next one we will have is the rear brake pump. So inside the outside will be this a box, a set of box. Okay, then we will open it up, and then you can see the brake pump inside. This one will be $50 each. It also come with gold and black color. Let me take it out for a closer look. Look like this, yeah. Okay. If you wish to have a nicer brake pump, you can get the RCB one. It's gold, red, black. Yeah. Okay, gold and black. So you can come down and see, or you wish to have more photos. Like after once you want to see more photos, right? You can let us know. We will PM you. Like those are already installed, and then you wish to see how does it look like. You can let us know. We will send you the picture of it. For this will be $50 each. We come in this box. Let me put it back. Okay, next we have is our master brake pump. Let me shift this. Remember to help me like and share. Yeah. Anything you can just feel free to comment down below. We will reply you from there. Okay, next will be our rims. This one is the 12.7mm one. Same, it come with a box. Let me show you what's inside the box. Once you open out, it will be like this, and then it comes with the sticker inside. And then let me take out the sponge. Okay, so this one is the 12.7mm one. It will look like this. The design is anti-corrosion, and also is for this, right, is actually to improve the braking and also have faster braking reaction. Okay, so this one, let me remove the box. So it comes with a brake tank, the tank here. Then this is the bracket over here. Yeah, okay. For this, we have black, red, and black, red, and gold for this one. If you wish to have any other color, you can let us know. We will help you to pre-order. Same, we will have a 50% deposit, and also will take about 3 to 5 working days. Yep. Okay. Next one, let me pass back to my colleague. Okay, next we have is the 14mm one. Will be $100. For the previous one is $55. Okay, for this is the $100 one. Let me show you what is inside for the 14mm one. Same inside also will come with the RCB sticker. Okay, in the box you can see. Cannot see. Okay, we come with the brake hold, the master pump. No. Okay, it comes with one of these with the hose and also the bracket, and then there is some other screw that I won't be taking out. Okay, let me take out and show you. Yeah. Okay. For this will be like this. With a set of these, will be $100 each side. It also come with black, red, and gold. For this is different from that. Is this one can be adjust and also adjust to the tightness that you want at here, as you can see. And then for this is also foldable. So let's say touch wood lah, that you drop your bike, it will actually fold up instead of break off. So yeah. And for this set, right, it also comes with the hydraulic brake switch for this one. It will be in the one whole set where you buy. Yep. If you wish to get any other color, you can just PM us, or if you got any question, you can let us know. For these two master brake pump, right, it's actually universal. So if you are really unsure, you can just comment down below, or you can DM us. We will reply you from there and let you know whether you can fit. But this one can be fit on most bike with handlebars. So if you are unsure, you can feel free to ask. My salesperson at the back end will reply you. Yeah. Okay. That one is for the brake side. We actually also sell this clutch lever to match it as a pair. For this will be $70, and it also comes with red, black, and gold. If you wish to order any other color, you can feel free to let us know. We will check for you the color availability. Okay, now let's move on to suspension. Remember to help me like and share, yeah? Okay, we also got bring in RCB suspension. For this one is for the X-Max one. It will look like this. It's the gold and black series. For this will be each set will be $360. So I will just take one and show you at here. Okay, it's also come with this adjustable thing, so you can adjust the tightness of the spring. If you like it soft, you adjust to the softer part. If you like it hard, you can just adjust it to the hardest part. Okay, for this one is also adjustable compressions, rebound, and spring reload, and can be adjust height, the length and the height also. And for this whole set, it actually comes with another extra springs, which is the softer one, will be in the set also. Yeah. So before you install, you can let the mechanic know that you want to swap it out to the softer one, or you prefer the harder one, also can. Yeah. And inside also come with a sticker also. Come with this RCB sticker for the suspension. Yeah. Okay, for this it can be fit on most scooter bikes. You can let us know what bike you are riding. Okay, for now we only have currently for X-Max, Aerox, and also NMAX. So if you wish to get for other bike, you can let us know. We will help you check, and we also can help you pre-order. Yep. For the X-Max one, only got red and only got gold and black. But for other color, for other bike we have the red one and also the yellow one. So you can come down and have a look yourself, or you wish to see other color, you can PM us. We will reply you from there. Let me pass back to my colleague. Thank you. Okay, for the last but not least, for RCB product we have is our rims. Okay, for the rim, right, is a universal one, but you need to let us know. Okay, we have two models. One is the SP811 and one is the SP522. We have two different ones. This is mostly it's universal fit. You need to let us know what bike, so we can check for you the rim size. Yeah. For now we have this one is for the Aerox and the NMAX one in the gold color, as you can see. Yeah. Let me turn to another side. It actually have the smooth spoke wheel, as you can see from here. And this one is also lighter than our original rims. Yep. And it's come with the heavy duty bearings for strength and durability. Yep, you can see the bearing here. Okay, it's a bit heavy, so yeah, you can. Let me pass back to my colleague first. Okay, if you wish to get for your bike, please let us know what bike you're getting, what bike you are riding, so we can get the correct rim size for you. Yep. For this one will be 190 for the SP811. Okay, we also have another model is SP522. Currently we only have for Spark and Sniper for the SP522, and then for the 811 we have for Aerox and NMAX. Okay, okay, that's all for today. Maybe let me go through the price again if you missed it. Okay, let me go through the price. Okay, remember to help me like and share this live. Thank you. Okay, so we have mentioned before just now, the reflective rim sticker $7 each, enough to fill two rims, the front and rear. For this we have reflective red, reflective white, reflective blue, and last but not least black. If you want any other color, please feel free to comment down or DM us. We will let you know from there. And earlier on, we also have the balancer, the bar-end balancer. We have gold, black, and red, $15 each pair. Next, we will have just now is our fuel tank in two shapes. Oh, wrong side. Ooh. Okay, yeah. For this, we also have other colors. If you wish to get any other color, you can feel free to let us know. Yep. For this, we have black, and for this, we also have in black. It will be $30 each. Inside also got the bracket. If you missed out just now. Okay. Next is also we have the grips over here. Will be $20 each pair. It also come with red and black also. Okay. We also bring in this brake hose holder. It come with black and gold. Will be $15 each. Next. Earlier on, we also did mention this, the rear brake pump. So inside will be this. Also come in black. This one will be $50 each. Remember to help me like and share. Next. Next we have this. Yeah. This one, the brake pump for 14mm one, the S1. Then where's the brake hose? And it also come with a round brake hose. Yeah, one whole set will be $100, and then it also come with the hydraulic switch, brake switch. Next, just now earlier on we also mentioned we got the clutch side also. You can purchase it as a pair. Yep, it also come with black and gold and red. Yep, it will be $70 each. This will be the 12.7mm brake pump. It also comes with red. You can see. Yep. All these can be fit on most bike. You can just comment down below if you are unsure if your bike can fit this. You can let us know. Okay, then will be the rim and also the suspension. If you wish to see more pictures or you're unsure whether can fit your bike, you can let us know. Or you wish to see more items of more accessories or more spare parts for RCB, you can comment down below and we will have a look at it and then we will bring it in. So yep, if you have any more questions, feel free to DM and then we will reply you from there. I will see you in my next live. Bye bye.